Welcome to Silkytreat Easy Delicious Cooking. On the menu today, one recipe done in 15 minutes start to finish. Mushroom caps, Paris mushrooms, butter, garlic, parsley. Ingredients: butter, salt, pepper, minced garlic, dry parsley. Preparation: remove the feet from the washed mushrooms caps. Mince garlic, parsley, add to soft butter and mix with a fork. Optional, add salt and pepper as the garlic is already salty. Fill the mushroom caps with the butter preparation. Insert on an oven tray. Cook for 5 to 8 minutes in the oven on broiler/grill at 190 degrees Celsius. You may at a later time use the mushrooms feet for a soup or other preparations. Ready to serve and eat. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and comment if you wish.